big flavor, creative dishes. What am I talking about? Cajun Creole. I'm here in Logan, Utah. I found a place that's still rocking it. This is MAYMOES.
Runner, runner, MAYMOES Dunner.
MAYMOES is the epitome of Cajun and Southern cuisine.
Catfish MAYMOE needs a home.
The personality brings out the character of the food and the spices of the food.
That's where Louisiana transplant Jason Davis comes in.
A lot of people think Cajun food is spice. It's a method, and that's what we try to convey to the people.
Have blackened chicken pasta.
They smoke this chicken, and then it's got mushrooms and peppers and onions and cheese.
The perfect Cajun seasoning that Jason makes.
It's only somebody from Louisiana that has a cement mixer that they're gonna mix their own Cajun blend spice up.
We're gonna add salt, lots of cayenne if we're making Cajun spice, right? Onion powder, black pepper, chili pepper, paprika,
Granulated garlic.
and that's it. We're gonna let that mix for about 5 minutes or so.
Okay, good talk.
Now we're gonna sear off our chicken, about 4 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna smoke it for about 40 minutes at 225. We're out, little nice bite-sized pieces. Mushrooms, tomatoes, green onions. Start letting it get warm together.
So you do this pasta dish off these two little burners?
So when we first opened the gas station, we did off one burner. We're gonna go ahead and add our pasta to it. It's par cooked, ready to go. Garlic, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, heavy cream. Our Creole season that we made a while ago. We're gonna let this thicken up. Top it off with a little bit of garlic bread, a little bit of chives for some color and fun, and there you go.
The smoking of the chicken is the key. It really adds a depth. It's not hot by any means. You add just enough cream to keep it moist and just enough seasoning to keep it alive. Well done.
Appreciate it.
2 blackened chicken pastas.
The sauce just absorbs into the pasta and the spice. It's incredible.